So today we are making a chat app in Python using socket in just 9 lines, and here's how to make it. So starting by importing the socket, we will make the input of host or join, then we will create the socket, then we will check if it is edge, so we'll bind and listen to the 5000 part, and else we will connect and ask for the IP. Then we will run a thread for the reception, and then we will send the input. Okay, let's run it. Okay, let's host a thing, and now let's wait for the user. And now here's I'm from the mobile Pydroid application, and that will click on join and the IP, and let's type the IP of 192.168.164. If you're on the same computer, you can use 127.0.01. Let's type hello. Oh, hello. Hi. Okay, so that is it.